to you live here on the IDB Ranch. We had 2.5 inches of rain this morning. These triplets were born in the downpour. 2 white little guys and little brown back here. Hey guys. Try to get these 2 since they're already up. Hey guys. Hey buddy. Boy, you're a muddy mess. There's where Mommy had you, wasn't it? Huh? Is that where Mommy had you? Hey little buddy. Hey girl. There's Mom back there. Hi guys. You guys need to go in and get cleaned up. Easy. Get you guys tagged. Vaccinated. Hey. Hi. Hi. Easy, Mom. Easy, Mom. I'm not gonna. Boy, are they dirty. It's what, 3 inches of rain all day. It's rained all day today. Super healthy. There's Big Brother. Hey, Teresa. Ely. What's up, Johnny? Come here. Hey, buddy. Come on. Just follow me back to the lodge. Hey, girl. Good girl. This big girl's still not. There you go. Yeah. Come on. It's awesome having some tame doe around. Good girl. Come on. Come on. Let's get your brother. Let's get your brother. Come on, buddy. Uh-oh, there goes. There's a newly tagged fawn. There he goes. He's off to the races. It doesn't take him too long. Come on, guys. Hey, Chuck. Todd, what's up, bud? Come here. Here's Bo. Tough fawning conditions here. It's been cool. Hey, come here. Come here. Easy. Easy, big boy. Easy. There's Bobby. Come on. Hey, buddy. Yeah. Come on. Come on, guys. Come on. Come on. Come on, guys. Why are you dirty? Boy. Wish I had 3 arms. Come on, big boy. Oh, he's still wobbly. He's still wobbly. Easy. Easy. Wobbly little fellas yet. Might take the. Well, guys, I got too much work to do, so we tagged another dozen. I got to get these. Mom's getting a little bit nervous here. Easy, girl. That's a banjo daughter there on a Michigan weapon. You talk about throwing giants for me. Hey, buddy, you little buck. You little buck pot. Oh, man, you're heavy. You're a heavy little guy. Long-legged. Hey, Brian. Wolford. He's dirty. That guy's been. See if I can't get him back up. Big boy. Give me. Man, you're a big dude too. Holy cow, you guys are big toads. Big tall. 8, 9, 10 pounds ons there. Whew. Hey, Bob. Mr. Fountain. Oh, there's another. Another tag falling back. Let's see if we can go up through here, guys. Get up through there and get back to camp. Donnie, how are you? Good boys. Good boys. I might try to get you guys some video of vaccinating. I gotta get out of here before Mom gets. Oh, I'm not gonna touch that big one. There she goes. Easy, there's Mom. It's not. Come here, bud. You'll follow me anywhere. Hey, JJ, what's up, brother? Man, that drag car, wow, wow, wow. Now, is that a drag or what? Hey, easy, girl. Easy. I'm not going to hurt him. You're a big boy. We've had a lot of triplets, a few quads, a lot of twins, but there's Mom blowing at me there. She's a 4-year-old that's doing the right or left, just had her first set of fawns this year. Boxcar, looky there.